start with marinating the prawns. I'll firstly add some salt. I've taken king size prawns. Now I'll add some ginger garlic paste, little bit of turmeric, red chilli powder. This is green chilli that I've pounded, some tamarind pulp, and little bit of lime juice. Now I'll mix it nicely. We'll leave this marination for 15 to 20 minutes. We're adding oil to the karai. The oil is heated up. I'm going to add this garlic. Now this is with the skin. I have not taken off the skin. Lovely. We let it brown. Now I'll add finely chopped onion to it. We'll wait for it to brown up. See, it's nicely browned. We'll add some curry leaves to it and garlic paste. Lot of garlic has been used in it. It gives a very nice taste. We'll cook till the raw smell goes of the garlic and it's cooked. Lovely. We'll add some coriander powder. This is Malwani Masala. You use this or you may use garam masala. Red chilli powder, some salt. Give it a nice stir. I'll add some water. The aroma of this Malwani masala is too good. You know one thing, this masala is generally used in the Goan and Maharashtrian cuisine. Lovely, see the color. Now I'll add the marinated prawns to it. Look at the size of the prawns, it's so lovely. I've taken the king size, jumbo size. You can take of your choice. I'll add this also. Stir it nicely. Now we'll cook it on medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes or till it is done. Just look at it, the oil has been released and it's wonderfully cooked. So this prawn masala is ready to serve. You can have it with roti or bhakri. Ready to serve. Serve it nicely in a platter.